Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do my Christmas gift unboxing video. I'm gonna show you what I got from Christmas tree. Doo-doo, doo-doo. Yeah! I get Chanel for Christmas from my loving, very sweet husband. Oh god, I have Chanel, guys. Look. Okay guys, I'm going to do unboxing video. Okay guys, unboxing time. I look really fat on the screen. This is my Christmas tree. Merry Christmas everyone. I got Chanel from my husband. She's very sweet. So guys, here's the ribbon. And I'm tying the ribbon. Chanel. Okay. Chanel. Guys, Chanel, look at that. Look at that Ophelia there and the ribbon. So, see what I got, guys. I don't really have idea what's inside. And there you go. Got that ribbon there. Yay, Ophelia. I got two now, guys. I got two. So I'm going to frame those Ophelia flowers. Okay. God, I have another Chanel. Thank you, darling. It's very thoughtful of you. Guys, here we go. Chanel box. And do you think what's inside? I don't have a clue what's inside. Okay, here we go. This is exciting. Oh my god, look at it. Oh my god, oh my god. I can't wait to see what's inside. Okay, it's hard. Ta-da! Should I close my eyes? What's it? Okay. Okay. Oh, okay. We got a card there, guys. Oh my god, it's in a upside down. In a black. Look at that. See? It's like a black material. And it comes with this. This is probably care card or receipt. Care cards. See? Instruction how you look after your thing. I don't know what's inside, so I can't tell you. So here we go. This is exciting. Chanel. Chanel, expensive name. Alright. Oh my god, I can see it. What's inside, guys? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Guys. Da-da-da-da. It's a wallet. Oh, it's a wallet on chain. Oh my god, it's so cute. Oh my god. God, I have wallet on chain. Oh my god, it's cute. I finally got a wallet on chain. Look at that. Oh my god, it's beautiful. How to open it? Magnetic closure. What magnetic closure? Yeah, magnetic closure. Oh my god. It comes with the thing. Oh my god, it's very cute. Oh, I'll wear it tonight. Just enough to fit your lipstick there and your phone. Oh, it comes with a card holder. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Chanel. I'm going to wear it tonight because I'm going out for dinner. And this is perfect. Bye for now, guys, and I'll tell you the review about this wallet on chain. Heard of this, guys? My wallet on chain. The chain is quite long, but you can wear it crossbody like that. See, or you can shorten it this way. See, it's perfect length. Ready to party now, guys.